Oh, we got a beautiful Chevelle convertible here, 1969 SS396, and it's got a 4-speed sitting between those two bucket seats right there. Beautiful LeMans Blue with the parchment interior. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the body and paint looks fantastic. It sounds great too. I pulled it in here and I thought, boy, this thing sounds good. So this is all beautiful. It's got the SS hood with the two bulges and the chrome vents there. All looks real nice, fits real nice. The fender looks real nice. All nice and clean all the way down to the bottom. It's smooth. The door, the rocker, all smooth. This is all lined up nice, square, smooth. Let's see how it opens. Jambs are painted nicely, shuts nicely. I noticed the molding fits the body really nice. When they put aftermarket panels on, that's not always the case. And it's smooth to the bottom. All that's real nice and clean. Trunk lines up nice and square. This is all real nice. I always say they always crack here. Well, this one doesn't have any cracks there. Maybe someday they will, but right now there's none. All this, like the other side, fits real nice to the body, clean, smooth, straight. This door needs to be adjusted in a little bit. This one's sticking out. It all lines up square and straight. It's got to be pulled in a little bit, so we'll make that adjustment. All looks good, and it is painted LeMans Blue. I think it's code 71, and according to the tag, that's what it was born with. Has the SS stripes going down each side. The metal flake is laid out evenly. It has a nice clear coat finish that's practically looks flawless when you look up close. I'm sure you'll find there's a little imperfection, like something was landed in the paint or something. So very minor imperfections if you look for them, but overall it's beautiful paint. The front bumper's been replaced and it looks like the SS emblem, all the trim, the lenses, all that looks very nice. Marker lights look new, the moldings, the emblems look new. Windshield's crystal clear, that's been replaced. Mirrors got a little freckling in the chrome right there. Door handle's been replaced, the rubber seals are replaced. It's a white convertible top. There's pictures of that on our website. The SS wheels look like new. BFGoodrich tires look new as well. Back here, the tail lights, bumper, the trim, all this looks like it's been redone. A couple light scratches in the chrome. Yeah, those are really light scratches. Blacked out tail panel. All right, let's open it up. See if the inside's just as nice. Oh, let's see what we have here in the trunk. Under the trunk lid's painted, stickers were replaced. The jam is painted, weather strip replaced. Inside is clean metal, spatter painted. We have the mat, we have a spare with the cover, and these are just some foam pads that go under the boot to make it fit a little bit nicer. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon, you'll be notified as videos are posted. So the interior was all replaced. It's called parchment. It's kind of a pearly off-white. So door panels and armrests, window cranks and handles, that was all replaced. The dash area is pretty original. There's some screws that don't belong, a little scuff here and there. This is original condition. It has a power top. Retro stereo was put right in the factory location. Dash pad does have a little crack up here on the top and then the very corner. Carpet was replaced. That looks good. We have some extra gauges down here. You keep an eye on the motor, on the oil, and the temperature. An original Muncie shifter with the correct 4-speed console and a full set of GM seat belts front and back. Seats are reupholstered. Headrests are reupholstered. These little chrome plastic covers are available. Those were never replaced, but those are Phillips screwdriver. You can change those. A few scuffs on the back of the seat here. But wall to wall, all the upholstery back here is replaced. The armrests, the boots. It does have the seat belts Those pads I talked about, they just fit under here, and it just takes out some of these wrinkles and marks. Visors and mirror look to be good original. It does have a tilt column with a beautiful wood rim steering wheel. Beautiful color combination. It's a drop top, big block 4-speed. So it is a 396 motor. I believe that's an aluminum intake, painted orange to look stock. 4-barrel carburetor under there, looks pretty new from what I could see. HEI ignition. And then we got nice chrome correct air cleaner, valve covers, stickers, the right exhaust manifolds. The firewall's cleaned up nice, has reproduction hose clamps on the hoses here. This is all nice, has the rubber shield, has spring clamp battery cables. Has new horns up front. Upgraded aluminum radiator with the clutch fan. Alternator looks new. We got power steering. The washer bottle's hooked up and all the wires and hoses run neatly. We got power brakes. Has hood insulation under the hood. And yeah, when I pulled it in, this thing sounded healthy. It's got a nice, nice sound to it. Michael's going to show you how it runs. See you in a minute.
Everybody, excited to drive this Chevelle here. This thing just sounds so tough. Love the exhaust on it, absolutely. 396 under the hood. It does have a hotter, lowier cam, so you do get that, you know, exaggerated exhaust effect as well. Just fantastic. Got in it, started right up, no issues there. Completely rebuilt suspension. You can see how it's just eating up all these bumps and little cracks in the road, things like that. Nice smooth ride. That 396 is paired with a 4-speed manual. And this thing has factory colors on it. LeMans Blue with the parchment interior. Very attractive, very hard to find from the factory like this. So, yeah, it has power steering, power brakes as well. Handy little triple gauge there. And yeah, let's see what she's got. All right. And just like that, up to 60 miles an hour without an issue at all. Very nice ride. Very fun experience. I don't know if I said this one has a power top as well as a modern radio that does have Bluetooth capabilities. So a couple nice creature comforts there, if you will. But yeah, our shop went over the car top to bottom. We did fix several things on it. If you need a full listing of that, just go on our website and you can check that out, or talk to somebody in sales. Also talk to somebody in sales if you want to come test drive it for yourself and see what it is that you're getting before you purchase it, which we definitely encourage. And outside of that, check out all the pictures and pricing on our website, volocars.com.
So this was body off frame restoration. The underneath is very nice. It has the F41 suspension, which means it has sway bars front and back and the boxed rear control arms. It does look like all the steering and suspension was rebuilt, the springs, the ball joints, all that stuff. Oh, I did adjust this door. You gotta slam it a little bit harder now, but now it's flush. Nice dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers, the right tips coming out the back. The brake system's been redone as disc in front, drum in back. The e-brake assembly is hooked up. The fuel system was replaced. Looking up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange. Starter, fuel pump look fresh. It's a Muncie M21 4-speed that's in there, and that all looks clean and fresh. So does the linkage. In back is a 12-bolt rear end with 373 posi gears. The floors, the braces, all the metal is really nice and clean, painted black. So we got a beautiful car here. Just a lot of fun to get out and go cruising with this thing. You can go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get it financed if you need that too. Thanks for watching.